Welcome back to another video with Dos Bros Family Travel Adventures. And today we're going to try to answer a question that many families have when they come to Las Vegas, especially if you bring the kiddos. In this video, we're going to see if the Adventuredome inside the CIRCUS Circus is worth it. We'll take you around and you can judge by yourself. And remember, if you're new to this channel, we are Dos Bros Family who travel around the world and California. Life is beautiful, so come see it with Dos Bros.
Alright guys, let's go inside the Adventuredome here in CIRCUS CIRCUS. As soon as you get in, you will have your picture taken, even before you pay for entrance. By the way, you don't have to pay to enter the actual Adventuredome. You can just go in and just check it out. And once we're inside, we'll show you the reason that they don't charge to get into the actual dome. And this section is where you can buy your tickets, day passes, or just the single rides. And this is what it costs for all day ride passes. You pay $60. Then you have the junior pass for $30. And this is crazy because it used to be only $40 just a few months ago. The Adventuredome also has annual passes in case you come to Vegas that much. So that's another option that you have to enjoy this place. The amount of AC that they use in this place is just incredible, guys. But it does feel pretty cool. Now let's go check out all the rides that you can use with this pass. And at the end, let us know in the comments if you think it's worth it to pay $60 for this. The Adventuredome includes rides and attractions like the roller coasters like you see here, Canyon Blaster, the world's only indoor double loop double corkscrew roller coaster. Other rides include bumper cars, midway games, video arcades, rock climbing, FX movies, and clown shows. The Adventuredome has over 25 rides and attractions, but here's the thing, guys. Not all of them are included in the day pass. So if you come in here, don't expect to do all the things here because there's a lot of things where you have to pay extra. The dome is open Monday to Thursdays from noon to 7 p.m. and Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. If you have been here, let us know in the comments if you think it was worth it. The disco ride, man, you gotta have a stomach for this. Otherwise, don't do it. Don't do it.
I want to be able to do this. My stomach wouldn't be able to take it. Next.
Or you can try the excitement of the slingshot. That will take you all the way up there and then drop you in a free fall.
And when you're walking around the Adventuredome, you will find some clown shows going on around. So if your kids love this, be on the lookout. The theme park also has the Angry Birds ride, but it's closed right now, so we didn't get a chance to get into it. There are two 4D attractions, which are the Scooby-Doo and the Ice Age. And for some parents who might be overwhelmed with all this fun, they do have a place where you can get your beer here. And also food and drinks, which is good so you don't have to get out of the theme park to go eat. And this is the thing about Adventuredome here in CIRCUS CIRCUS, guys. If you guys go into the website, it might seem like you buy the day pass and that you can do everything that is here, but it's not that way. Many of the attractions, at least half of them, or more than half of them, are for an extra fee. So everything that you will see right now, like the Extreme Zone, laser tag, bumper cars, circus carousels, and all the midway games that you will see here, you will have to pay extra for those. There's also a space where you find a bunch of arcades that are also for a fee. The Adventuredome seems like a lot of fun, but let's say for a family of 5 like we are, it can get pretty expensive, especially if you want to do most of the things that are inside here at the Adventuredome. This is certainly something that you can do here with the kids when you're in Las Vegas. You can also go to the hotel area and enjoy the free shows that they have there at the CIRCUS CIRCUS. But it's definitely one of the things that you can do here when you bring the kids to Las Vegas. And before you guys leave, don't forget to check out these other 2 videos on great things to do in Las Vegas. Especially the one where we show you all the free things and the free shows that you can assist here when you're in this city.
And don't forget to like, subscribe to not miss any more future adventures. It's free and it would tremendously help our channel grow. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy this video.
Dos Bros,
We out.
Bye bye, brothers. See you next video.